Mysticism is a possibility in every human being's life. It just demands attention, involvement, dedication, and commitment. Sadhguru. Asterisk. Today we are on a flight of 4. Too young, too seasoned. The youngsters are determined to beat the old, and the aged are strategizing to survive. The course is equally challenging for both. This flight takes off on time. Meanwhile, a Boeing 777 is approaching the adjacent airport. Gliding over the golfers' heads, the planes make their landings. The flights land regularly at the same times every day. So too do golf flights take off at the same time daily, as if something synchronizes them, even though they are both entirely different entities. There are many more flights of different kinds. Some go in search of new planets, while others explore other realms. Some flights take place inside one's own mind. The dimensions of the brain sometimes surpass the extent of the cosmos, and inner flights usually go beyond all universes. Asterisk. Satellites are orbiting the Earth. A space station sits in the impossible to inhabit skies. Missions are landing on Mars. Voyagers are traveling to distant stars. Man's quest to explore the unknown is eternal. A few among us claim to have visited outer worlds both physically and spiritually. I travel to extraterrestrial worlds in my thoughts or dreams only. Spirituality, divinity, piousness, religiousness, sacredness, holiness, and innerness appear to be siblings. This may be so philosophically, but my understanding points to something more than that. Yes, spirit, if it is indeed real, it is something wholly different from our physical body. It is not an individual entity like a body. It is something whole. We all share it. Like we share sunlight or weather, spiritually we are one and physically we are many. The universe is a complete unique entity. Everything and everyone is bound together with some invisible strings. Do not break anyone's heart. Do not look down on weaker than you. One's sorrow at the other side of the world can make the entire world suffer. One's happiness can make the entire world smile. Shams Tabrizi. Roach Elohim in Genesis. Roalks in the Quran. Bhagavad Gita is insoluble, and Confucian Po. All are flights of a sacred kind. Nietzsche's Geist, Hegel's Phenomenology, Karl Marx's Historical Materialism, Iqbal Shaheen and Parveen Shaker's Khushbu are flights of a philosophical kind. Aristotle's drinking of hemlock and Hussein bin Mansur's hanging are also flights of faith. All such flights lead a person beyond his/her own self. Once a person develops a passion for something, develops a will, his/her faith becomes unshakable, and their focus becomes unwavering. Mysticism opens its wings, and a mystic flight begins to flap its wings of harmony and oneness. At that stage the whole universe squeezes into that person, and he/she becomes one with the universe. What else is mysticism but oneness? In things spiritual, there is no partition, no number, no individuals. How sweet is the oneness! Unearth the treasure of unity. Rumi. Credits.